Hey friends, if you wish to fix install error 0x80070103 in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, when we speak about installation of Windows 11, it is similar to updating the operating system. So, our first solution should be to check the internet connection speed, which should be good enough because we are installing an operating system. So, go to fast.com and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And how would you do that? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Let it run and fix the problem if possible. Was this helpful? If not, then yes, you can try one more solution and this one should definitely work, which is to reset Windows Update components. So I have a script for you and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this and hit enter and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.